Welcome to Session 5 of Configuring Your RMS System. In this topic, we will take you through the RMS Recommended settings for configuring your field maintenance. Field maintenance allows you to customize the fields that will appear on the reservation, client, event reservation, dwelling, and online booking screens. Further to this, you can also change the order of the fields displayed. This feature also allows you to choose which fields are mandatory. For reservation details, you will have the option to make a field mandatory on the save of the reservation or on the check-in of the reservation. Each user in your system can be set differently, or you may choose to use the default user, which will filter down to all. To configure field maintenance, select Setup from the top navigation bar, select Users from the list, select Field Maintenance from the sublist. By default, the reservation and client field options will open. All fields will be visible. To hide a field that you do not require, simply untick the Visible Fields checkbox by left-clicking on the option once. We also have the option to make fields mandatory from this screen. To make a field mandatory for guest details, click once on the mandatory checkbox for that field. Reservation details allow us to set mandatory fields on two different actions, the first being on save. Therefore, if checked, the field will need to be completed before the reservation can be saved. The second being on check-in. Therefore, the field will not become mandatory until the reservation is being checked in. Further to the right, we provide you with a preview of what the screens will look like with the options you have chosen. Those fields shown in blue indicate a mandatory field. Lastly, we have the option to move the position of fields. To do this, click once on the name of the field. Then, using the up and down arrows provided to the right, move the field to its new position. Move through all fields until you have them customized for your property. Once complete, select Save, Exit. To learn more about field maintenance, click once on Help in the top right corner of the screen, or click once on the title Field Maintenance in the knowledge base for a complete breakdown of this feature. That brings us to the end of the topic Field Maintenance. We will now move on to topic 10 of Session 5, adding form letters.